Hello friends, I am dr.Ande.LakshmiNarasimhaswamy. Today I will discuss about today topic is cadmium sulph, single rubrics, and first of all what is the important in daily practice. The cadmium sulph in all other remedies is explained. Next I will explain about single rubrics. Okay, let's see what is important in cadmium sulph in daily practice. That is, the cadmium sulph is useful in cancerous conditions. Well, what cancers is it is treated? Nose orders imaginary and real like cancer is present. Stomach cancer in cadmium sulph patient. Stomach cancer accompanied by persistent vomiting is present in cadmium sulph. Another two remedies, carbolic acid and creosote. Abdomen cancer intestines is also useful, and abdomen cancer liver is cadmium sulph. Abdomen cancer pancreas is cadmium sulph. Another four remedies are cadmium iodium calcarea ors, Ceanthus hydrastis is useful in pancreas cancer. Female genital and sex cancer of uterus is present in cadmium sulph. Another 120 rubrics is present. 120 remedies are present. General cancerous affections. Cadmium sulph is cancerous affection. It is associated with 250 remedies. General cancerous affections in advanced stage is useful in advanced stage of cancerous conditions. Cadmium sulph and the 31 remedies. General malignant disease process is present. Then a disease which causes is likely to cause death. In that condition also useful in cadmium sulph. Now we can see these are the useful in daily practice, and single rubrics what are the present in cadmium sulph. That is, we can see in the meantime 44 rubrics are present in cadmium sulph. In single rubrics, mind symptom only one is present. Mind excitement during cough is present in cadmium sulph. Head pain, hammering pain followed by vomiting is present. Think cadmium sulph. Eye symptom, eye inflammation, weather, change of weather is present. Think cadmium sulph. Eye pain, weather, change of weather, cadmium sulph. Vision, loss of vision, reading small print is present. Think cadmium sulph. Nose symptoms, nose discoloration, yellow patch, think cadmium sulph. Nose pain, lacerating is present. Think cadmium sulph. Now the face symptoms of the cadmium sulph. Face cholesma, exposure to sun and wind aggravation. Think cadmium sulph is useful in that condition. Cholesma. Skin condition, face discoloration, brown spots, sun aggravation. Think cadmium sulph. Face discoloration, brown spots, wind aggravation. Think cadmium sulph. Face discoloration, yellow, sun and wind stain Exposure to sun and wind stain yellow on nose and cheeks is present. Think cadmium sulph. This condition is present in cancerous conditions or liver cirrhosis, liver cancer. Face discoloration, yellow, cheek spots, cadmium sulph. Face paralysis accompanied by swallowing difficult. Difficult swallowing is present. Think cadmium sulph. Face paralysis, cannot close eye is present. In that condition, we can use cadmium sulph. Face perspiration during erections, think cadmium sulph. Face touch aggravation, lips touch aggravation, think cadmium sulph. Mouth symptoms, mouth membrane stingy offensive is present, think cadmium sulph. This symptom will occur in advanced stage of the cancer. Mouth taste sweetish followed by bitter taste, burning and bitter taste is present, think cadmium sulph. Throat symptoms, throat spasms during headache, think cadmium sulph. Throat spasms, eating aggravation, esophagus, eating aggravation, think cadmium sulph. Stomach symptoms of the cadmium sulph, single rubrics. Stomach carrying aggravation, think cadmium sulph. Stomach inflammation accompanied by weakness is present, think cadmium sulph. Stomach inflammation with chilliness is present, think cadmium sulph. Stomach irritation after long diseases, think cadmium sulph. Stomach irritation after meningitis, think cadmium sulph. Stomach nausea lying must lie still is present, nausea is present, think cadmium sulph. Stomach pain, pressure aggravation, sore pain is present, think cadmium sulph. Stomach pain, pressure on stomach aggravation, think cadmium sulph. Stomach pain, pressure, stomach aggravation, sore pain is present, think cadmium sulph. Stomach vomiting with tenderness with vomiting is present, think cadmium sulph. Abdomen symptoms of the cadmium sulph. Abdomen inflammation, colon accompanied by weakness is present, think cadmium sulph. Abdomen inflammation, colon with chilliness is present, think cadmium sulph. Abdomen inflammation, small intestines accompanied by weakness is present, think cadmium sulph. Abdomen inflammation, small intestines accompanied by weakness is present, think cadmium sulph. Abdomen inflammation, small intestines with chilliness, think cadmium sulph. Stomach stool symptoms of the cadmium sulph. Stool black clots is present, think cadmium sulph. Stool thin, urine semi-fluid with suppression of urine. Stool thin, semi-fluid with suppression of urine is present, think cadmium sulph. Chest adhesions, sensation of adhesions to chest lungs is present, think cadmium sulph. Chest contraction accompanied by respiration, asthmatic is present, think cadmium sulph. Chest skating aggravation, think cadmium sulph. Sleep symptoms of the cadmium sulph. Sleeplessness in cholera in phantom is present, think cadmium sulph. Dreams symptoms, only one is present. Dreams confused, broken is present, think cadmium sulph. Fever symptoms, two symptoms is present. Fever, coldness, icy coldness is present, that is only the cadmium sulph patient. Fever, yellow fever, perspiration is checked from exposure. When perspiration is checked from exposure to a draft of air is present, think cadmium sulph. General convulsions, ailments during after radiation therapy is present, think cadmium sulph. So the cadmium sulph is useful in cancerous patient, and these are the symptoms. Peculiar is present, think in cancerous patient, think that is useful to cure the patient. Okay. Next I will explain about caladium. Caladium remedy in single rubrics. That in future classes I will also explain another remedies in the long duration remedies also. One or three parts is usually explained. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch all other videos to enhance our knowledge to peculiarities. Okay. Thank you.